After her birthday, Fiona had $D in gift money. She spent 3/5 of this on an electric skateboard. The next day, she spent a third of what was left on a movie pass card and then put the last $80 in the bank. If she made no other purchases with that money, then what was the value of D? So I'm going to say that one easy way to think about this is to break this into stages. She started out with D, spent some money on the skateboard, and then she was left with R on the second day. So on the second day, let's just find R first. What she did was she spent 1/3 of R. That went to the movie pass card. But that means that she didn't spend 2/3 of R. So 2/3 of R was what she had left, and that's $80. Well, that's interesting. Divide both sides of that by 2. 1/3 of R equals 40. Multiply by 3, and we get R equals 120. All right, well, that's interesting. R equals 120. Let's put that on hold. Now let's think about D. She spent 3/5 of D on the skateboard. So that means that she had left 2/5 of D, and that's what became R. That's what she had left over, because all she did on the first day was spend on the skateboard, so anything she had left is what she started with on the next day. So we already found R, so 2/5 D equals 120. Divide by 2, 1/5 D equals 60. Multiply by 5, D equals 60 times 5, which is 300. And that's the value of D. Answer choice B.